Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the mobile phone uses up in our daily life. Nowadays, technology is getting really advanced and it is becoming an essential part of our daily life. Today's smartphone are the devices which provide all the facilities of our daily life such as email, notebook, reservation, Bluetooth, camera, television, video clip, many other computer applications and so more. Mobile phones are used for variety of purposes such as keeping in touch with family members, for conducting business, and in order to have access to a telephone in the event of an emergency. Some people carry more than one mobile phone for different purposes such as for business and personal uses. Who introduced the mobile phone in India? In August 1995, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Jyoti Basu, made the first mobile phone call in India to the Union Telecom Minister Sukram. 16 years later, 4G services were launched in Kolkata in 2012. Who is invented of mobile phone and when? On April 3, 1973, Motorola employee Martin Cooper stood in Midtown Manhattan and placed a call to the headquarters of Bell Labs in New Jersey. The first mobile phone call was made 40 years today on April 3, 1973 by Motorola Martin Cooper. What's the meaning of generation mobile technology in 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G represents the 5 generations of mobile networks, where G stands for the generations and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 represent the generations of numbers. Since the early 1980s, we see a new generation of mobile networks almost every 10 years. What is the main advantages of mobile generation phones? The first generation 1G mobile phone wireless communication network was analog, used for voice calls only. The second generation 2G is a digital technology, supports text messaging. The third generation 3G mobile technology provided higher data transmission rates, increased capacity and provide multimedia support. The 4G get-up speeds up to 100 Mbps. 4G download speed, stream, high definition video and audio edge wireless broadband. 5G. 5G has the potential to be up to 10 times faster than 4G because the way 5G works means that it was uses smaller wavelength and much higher frequencies which can support far more simultaneously continuous than 4G. What's the meaning of Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is the wireless technology used to connect computers, tablets, smartphones and other devices to the internet. Wi-Fi is the radio signal sent from the wireless router to be a nearby device which translates the signal into a data you can see and use. Some brands of mobile phone. Number 1 Samsung, number 2 Apple, number 3 Huawei, number 4 Xiaomi, number 5 Oppo, 6 number Vivo, Motorola, Lenovo, LG, Nokia and so more. The popular SIM cards in India. Number 1 Jio, number 2 Airtel, number 3 Vodafone, number 4 BSNL mobile in MTNL and so more. Two types of SIMs are available in India. Number 1 postpaid SIM card, number 2 prepaid SIM card. Nowadays, mobile phone plays a lead role in our daily life. for handheld device with higher technology. Some special features of mobile phone. Number one, sending text message, sending receiving phone calls, internet browsing, time calculator. For mostly used smartphones, various social network, various Google apps, mobile banking, weather, alternative talk and text apps, Google Voice and WhatsApp, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspots, turning your phone into a mobile internet router, video chat, and so more. In India, Nokia is the first company launched its phone in India in 1995. India's telecommunication network is the second largest in the world. Nokia. Nokia mobile phone on July 31st, 1995, when the Chief Minister of West Bengal Jyoti Basu and called Union Telecom Minister Sukram in New Delhi. Nokia was the first mobile phone of 90% of people used in India. 25 years ago, the first mobile phone call was made in India costing over Rs. 8 per minute incoming and outgoing calls. Thank you for watching. I believe this information something helpful for you.